So, hello everyone, my name is Hamza and welcome back to another YouTube chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss the weekly outlooks about the different pairs like gold and Euro USD and other major pairs we will discuss in this Zoom session. Also, we will cover the question answers at the end of this chapter. So, if you have any kind of question about the trading methods, about the models which I am using, you guys can ask here in the comment or in the chat of the Zoom. So I will see your question and answer later after that, after the end of the Zoom. Okay. I first of all I want to clear that thing. This live will be very informative for everyone. And in this, you guys can learn how to watch deeply in the market and how to study the charts actually in the way of CRT and ICT, how to mark your bias, how to shift your bias, how to see the directions of the market. These all things I am covering in this live session, so be with me at the end of the session. After this session you will be clarified knowing that many other traders get a 100 times of paid for their paid mentorship. I will try to teach you everything here free without any cost. I am sharing this knowledge without any cost, so you guys must subscribe our channel if you are watching it on our YouTube. Okay. So must I'm again saying you must can drop your question in the comment section or in the chat session. So I will be later see your comments and answer them later. Okay. So let's talk about the gold. I am starting the gold analysis. So we will start from the higher time frame, as our higher time frame will be our key time frame, which tells us the actual bias of the market. So I have some internet connection problem, so maybe I have to refresh the session. So like this, let's go. As I told, first of all, if you are analyzing your charts on weekly or on the weekends or weekly time, so you must start it from the higher time frame. Higher time frame will teach you the correct bias of the market. Like if you analyze the lower time frame for your directional bias, they will be very confused. There will be a very confusion, like there will be a lot of structure shifts in the market which will manipulate you. So here you guys have got another point, like if you want to find your actual bias, you have to shift yourself to the higher time frame to see the actual bias of the market. After later you can shift to the lower time frame for entry confirmations. Remember these two things. First thing I have just told you guys, use higher time frame always to see your actual bias. Right here, got it? And the second thing is always use lower time frame as entry time frame. Like lower time frame cannot tells you the actual bias of the market. We can only use the lower time frame for entry purpose only. Okay. So let's start from the weekly time frame. As you can see in the weekly time frame, we have bullish prices, and we have to look for the last weekly bullish candle. Okay, last week we are just seeing that the last weekly candle is close above from the previous candle. So what does it means? Are you guys know what does it means? If a weekly candle closed above have a body closing above to the its previous weekly candle, that means prices are extremely bullish. Like let me write here. Sorry, close above means is equal to bullish prices. Right here, you have another secret point which I have just shared with all of you guys, which is that is if a higher time frame candle is close above to the previous candle, which means your bias will be bullish for the next week or next day. Like if you are using daily time frame as a higher time frame and you are seeing that the previous day candle has closed above from its previous candle, which means the exact same day your bias will be bullish. Same like here, the previous week is closed above from its previous week, then our bias will be bullish for this week. Okay, so our weekly bias is bullish as every weekly candle high low will have the liquidity area. So this high is a all time high of the prices, like here. What is this? This is our all time high. And where is our low? Weekly low. Here is the our previous week low. Let me write here. Right here. So here is our week high and here is our week low. So I will just mark a key level under the weekly candle which is here. That will be considered as our IRL. Okay. So we just can expect that according to the CRT, we need price to dump lower in this area and purge the liquidity of previous candle, and then we will see the bullish prices. Right here, are you guys picking my point which I am sharing here? Okay, after that we need to shift to the daily time frame and let's see what daily time frame is telling us. Same here. Here was the 3 bar swing high, prices close above, which means bullish prices. And here is what is this? This was the exact same IRL from the higher time frame. And what are you guys seeing? You guys are seeing clearly here that market taps into the same key level and boom. What does that means? That means our prices are extremely bullish. Let's see what daily time frames tells us. We have to uh, sh- see the daily time frame with the extreme silver chart so we can find the SMT area. So let's see. Here was the protected low and which like this. Let me uh, shift it to the left side, like here. Here was the previous week low which have the liquidity. So with that low, market forms SMT divergence, which means we have shifted our bias to the bullish side. Now let's see. We need to find a premium and discount level in the same zone. So here was the low and here is the high. So where prices caps, in the discount area, and let me share the key level with all of you guys. Here was our RBS level. Sorry, resistance becomes supports, and here was our bullish order block. It's a daily order block. Let me find. Let me type here. It's a daily time frame order block. What this plus means? Plus means it's a bullish order block. And let me delete this one. And what are you seeing, guys? Prices closed above. It's our first hint for the bullish trend. Then what price do? Price have have a retracement right down here. After tapping this bullish order block, market forms another order block which is right here. What is this? This is our CISD. What is means of CISD? Anyone is knowing? Anyone know about the CISD? Let me know in the chat section. Okay. CSD, after forming the CISD, we need, what are we seeing? We are seeing that here was our PISI, buy side imbalance, and sell side inefficiency. Price drops below that and failed it. After the failed, price again reversed back and closed above the same FVG. And what it's come, it will become the IFVG right here, because price first closed below it, then again reversed back and closed above. So here is the IFVG in the daily time frame. So what daily time frame tells us? Daily time frame is extremely bullish, and it's targeting its all-time high, which will be considered as ERL. Okay. After the ERL, uh, which is our next liquidity bull, we will shift to the daily of H4-hour time frame. Let's see which H4-hour time frame will tells us. It's a higher time frame key level. Prices again closed above as the same, uh, like the weekly and monthly. Weekly and daily time frame. What's time H4 tells us? Prices closed above again. Let's see, from low to the high. Prices like this. Sorry, this was low. This was the recent high. Prices dump in the premium zone and closed above and taken the high, which was the liquidity purge from the ERL. After the ERL, prices drop below and break the major low. What was this? This was our market structure shift to the sell side. After the market structure shift, prices taps to this IRL, which will be considered as, this was our SIBI, which will be considered as IRL. After the IRL, prices have already taken the ERL right here. Now what is this? It's just a liquidity purge off from the ERL. This is the ERL, and market turtle soup that ERL. And again, what happened? Again, prices closed above to the previous major high, which will be our market structure shift to the bullish side. Now, where prices comes, let me know. Let me give you guys another tip right here. Uh, you have to find the three questions from the market whenever you are analyzing the market. What was that three question? You must have to know these three questions. Number one, from where prices are coming. Number 2, where prices are staying. Number 3, where prices needs to go next. You have to find the answers of these 3 questions while you are analyzing the market. Right? Let's see. We have to find this question in this chart. What is the first question? From where prices are coming? Let's see. In the daily time frame, prices tap at the daily time frame bullish order block and reverse, which means prices are coming from the daily order block. Okay, where prices is staying in the H4 time frame market structure shift and staying at a resistance level. Okay, where price needs to go. Price needs to go to take this ERL. How can market take this ERL from a lower time frame entry level, right? So let's find our entry level. Let me delete this right now and let's see. In H4 is telling us that we have a bullish market structure shift right here. We have a liquidity purge right here. After the liquidity purge in H4 hour time frame, we have this change in state of delivery right here. After the changing in state of delivery, let me shift to the H1 hour time frame. Sorry, in H4 hour time frame, we have this bullish bearish order block fill right here up at the same level. We have this FVG in front of our breaker block, and this will be our unicorn model, which you guys don't know, which is a very advanced model, so I cannot explain right here in this short time period. So you must have to know the what is the unicorn model. Unicorn model simply a very simplified model from the ICT, which who teaches to take a reliable interest from this zone. This is the unicorn model. At the right here, we have this IFVG. SIVI is converted to the BISI, which means a inversion of the FVG. So we call it a inverse FVG, or we can call it inversion of FVG. Okay. In the FVG, we have this order block right here. It's a bullish order block. Again, I will write down here the H4 order block. Okay, this is your H4 time frame order block. I am literally taking a lot of time to explain each and everything with all of you guys. So next time you can mark all these things by using your own mind. You don't need any kind of other person on which you can rely on. You just need to focus on yourself to improve your strategies, to improve your knowledge, so you guys can depend on yourself only. Those persons who always depends on others cannot be successful in their lives. So my goal is just to teach you each and everything which I am knowing. No matters it will take how much time. I'm ready to give hours to all of you guys to just to teach you everything about the ICT. Okay, so let me shift to the H1 and let's see which H1 tells us. As same in H1 we have the liquidity purge here, where the liquidity purge happens at the same daily time frame order block. This whole was the daily time frame order block, and this liquidity purge at the same daily time frame key level. Okay, after the liquidity purge we have this MSS right here. After the MSS right here, we have a bullish entry. This was our bullish entry. After the bullish entry, we have another MSS. After this MSS, we have this CASD as a key level, prices tear to the key level, and boom, we have this ERL. After the ERL, we just takes this high to this low, and we have this liquidity patch. Okay, right now I am seeing that prices, let's see in M15 what M15 tells us. Same again, we have this IFEG right here. After that, this IFEG prices closed above, again retested the FEG and taken this ERL. After the ERL, prices drops to the this CASD. After this CASD, again boom. So let's see in H1 hour time frame. In H1 hour time frame, we have the SMT to the above side right here. This is your SMT for the sell side, and we have this SMT2. So basically, we have two SMTs, which is one is the SMT and the second is the within SMT. Okay, this is two SMT forms to the above side. Let's see an H4. Let me show the H2 as well. So right here in H2, we have this FVG. Let me mark this is our FVG from H4 and H2 as well. Okay, let's do this one as well, because prices comes back to this low and again goes above, taken this 3 bar swing high. After that 3 bar swing highs, prices have not taken any deep retracement yet. So what I am expecting, guys, I am expecting that price, let me show you guys another thing. In H4 hour time frame, we have this RBS level as well. Sorry, this is the SBR level. What I am expecting with the XAG USD in H4 hour time frame, you have to watch this strategy for the London session. Like, you can use these analysis for the London session by using H1 hour time frame. Are you guys get my point? The one thing is, you must have to wait for the London session open, then you can uh, plan these entries according to my analysis. Okay, we have this SMT and we have the within SMT, and we have to form the we have to wait to form the third SMT, which is then SMT. Okay, this SMT you can see in the H1 hour time frame. You have to wait for H1 hour time frame to form the SMT at the right this RBS level. Like, this is the whole zone for all of you guys. The zone prices are from 3694 to 3700. If price stay to that zone, which is our resistance level, if price taps that zone, after that zone, if prices forms the then SMT, you can simply shift your bias from bullish to bearish till this key level. This is your H2 and H4 hour time frame key level. This SMT, within SMT and then SMT, will have power to drop the prices to this key level. Okay, this SMT will work to drop the prices at this key level after tapping this key level, or tapping the CE. After tapping the CE, we can simply shift our bias bearish to bullish, and then we can target the all-time high and ERL to the next. This was your whole bias from higher time frame to lower time frame structure, which I have just shared with all of you guys. I tried my best to teach you guys everything very clearly in the simple words so everyone can pick my points. With that, let me discuss another mm, uh, your USD with all of you guys. Let's see again. We will shift to the weekly time frame. What weekly time frame tells us? We have right here. I have to compare it with the GBP USD. Let me add the GBP USD chart into the my screen so you guys can see. Let's see. We have a major SMT with right here. Your USD is forming SMT with GBP USD, which means a weakness in the Euro USD and GBP USD. So we have this candle range right here. Let me mark this range with this black candle. Okay, we have this range right there. This was our CRT high. This is the range high which I will mark with the CRT high. After the CRT high, we have this manipulation candle right above here. Now what you all guys are seeing, the prices moves above the previous week high and close below there. What that means, close below, which means close below is equal to bearish prices, right? Remember this tip, you guys. This is a very important tip which I have just right in front of you guys. It's very important. If a higher time frame candle goes below, your price will be bearish till the next candle high. Like this is the 50%. You have to see prices to the lower at the right 50% of this candle. This is your next liquidity area. This is your CRT 50%. So that so basically this will be your next target. Okay, so I have to shift to the M daily time frame. In the daily time frame, you guys can see right here we have this shift in the market state of delivery. So here is the change in state of delivery. We have this CISD and H4 hour time frame. Oh, sorry, in the daily time frame. But in the daily time frame, we don't have any kind of 10 SMT. But I am expecting, guys, I am expecting that I am marking the previous day high right here. This will be CRT high, and right above the CRT high, we have this BPR, which will be work as our key level, which will be our IRL. This is the BPR IRL. At the same IRL, we have this daily time frame change in state of delivery, and we have same again. We have close below, which means bearish prices. So our daily bias are completely bearish in the H4 hour time frame. Which I am seeing, guys, I am seeing just another market structure shift here. After the same market structure shift, we have this order block, bearish order block in H4 hour time frame at the same level. What H1 tells us? H1 tells us a clear bearish structure right here. Let's see. Here was the your swing high purge. After the purge of high, we have this MSS right here. After the MSS, we have this again liquidity purge right here. After the liquidity purge, prices tap into this CISD right here. After tapping the CISD, we have this a turtle soap and another market structure shift. After that market structure shift, we have this BPR as a key level. Right down here, here is your bearish market structure shift and bearish key level, guys, which is your BPR again. This BPR will be work as IRL. So basically, I am expecting the SMT with this high and prices drop, uh, rise above to this IRL, then we have a turtle soup and market structure shift. Then we will target this 50% of CRT low, which will be right here. Your USD next prices will be 1.15750 as a liquidity pool. Okay, so let me read your questions as well. So we have a first question from the Rishi Khan sir. I have only joined the course, but I am not able to learn it properly on my own. If you guys can please start daily live sessions. So you have not. We have not launched the ICT course yet. So for now we are just following the ICT and CI. If you have joined someone other course and you cannot mentally prepare yourself to be able to learn it properly, for me, I can just recommend you guys to join our upcoming ICT course. In that ICT course, I will personally provide mentorship during live session. You will have my recorded sessions, you will have my complete strategies A to Z. Almost we have covered everything. Like we have simplified, even we have simplified the CRT as well in my that's course, so everyone can see this properly. Every This is the opportunity for each trader who just want to learn and just want to prepare themselves for this market. And if anyone want to trade on their own analysis, he can simply join our upcoming course. Okay, yes sir. Yes sir. Changing state of delivery CST, it's a right answer. Fahim, record the session please. Sure, this session will be completely recorded and will be posted later on my YouTube channel, sir. Sure, guys. This was your questions. I have completely read your question and answered that. And we have this. This is the end of this session. I hope you guys have enjoyed my analysis. You can watch it later on my YouTube, guys. ठीक है? अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, must subscribe it, because in that in YouTube channel we have very informative uh, and quality videos will be uploaded soon on my YouTube channel related to ICT and CRT. Okay, take care of yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.